So you finish your song in GarageBand and now you just want an MP3 file that you can share, upload or email. It's actually really straightforward, but the option isn't where most people expect it to be. Here's how to do it. First, head up to Share in the menu bar at the top here and choose Export Song to Disk. Despite the name, this is the option you use to create an MP3 file. In the export window, you can choose a name for your song, add tags if you want, and decide where you'd like to save it. I'll export mine to the desktop just to make it easy to find afterwards, but you can save it anywhere on your Mac, including to an external hard drive if you have one connected. Now let's look at the format options here. GarageBand gives you 4 choices: AAC, MP3, AIFF, and WAV. If you're sharing your music online or sending it to someone else, MP3 is usually the best choice because it keeps the file size nice and small while still sounding good. If you're planning to continue working on the song somewhere else, or you want the highest possible quality, I'd recommend exporting a WAV file instead, since it's completely uncompressed. For this example though, let's choose MP3. You'll also notice some quality settings here. My advice here is pretty simple. Unless you're desperately trying to keep the file size as small as possible, just choose highest quality. There really is no reason to make your finished song sound worse than it needs to be. Here's a quick comparison so you can hear the difference between the lowest quality available and the highest quality. One option that's easy to overlook is this checkbox here. If you have GarageBand's cycle region turned on, you can export just that section of your project instead of the whole project. That's handy if you're exporting a short clip or checking a specific part of your mix. If you want the entire song, just leave it unchecked. Next, click Export, wait a few seconds, and GarageBand will create your MP3 in the location you selected. And that's it. You'll find it in the folder you chose, ready to upload to YouTube, email to someone, add to your phone, or share wherever you'd like. One quick tip before you go, I always export 2 different versions of a file, an MP3 file for sharing and a WAV file as a master backup. If you ever need to upload it somewhere that asks for a lossless file, or you want to remaster it later, you'll be glad you have that extra WAV file to hand. Let me know how you export your MP3 files and what you use them for down in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and hype it while you're there. I really appreciate it and it helps more people see it. Take care and I'll see you in the next one.